I started out as a stacker almost 4 years ago, and I was able to continue to improve. I had never been in management before Arauco, and here I was able to grow and become a supervisor and then again a process improvement coordinator and kind of learn the leadership skills and the management skills that I just developed here.
I feel Arauco is very well cultured equal opportunity corporation. I love the structure of Arauco, where anyone with the will and ambition can move up and not be held back. This makes your opportunities in your hands.
It's a good place to work. If you want to move up, it's all about the person, work ethic, initiative.
With Arauco's bidding process, everyone has an equal opportunity. All members, as they move up in their respective roles, must take achievement tests. Those tests come with recognition and raises. I believe our training coordinator does a great job in showing and promoting this to all Moncure site members, which I believe gives a sense of pride and accomplishments to the employees as they go through this process.
For more information and opportunities at Arauco, please visit our website, arauco.com, or join us on our job board at jobs.arauco.com.